Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating an account on the Weverse app. It's straightforward and I'll walk you through each step to make it simple. Let's get started. First, open the Weverse app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's open, you'll see an introduction screen. At the bottom of the screen, you will see Join, Login button. Tap this button to proceed. This will take you to a page where you can log in or sign up on Weverse. Now, Weverse offers several options to create an account. You can use your X account, Google account, Apple account, or email. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an account using your email. To start, enter your email address in the provided field. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid issues later. Once done, tap the Continue with this email button. Next, tap Sign Up Now to begin setting up your account. You'll then be prompted to create a password. Ensure your password meets the app's requirements, such as including a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Retype the password in the confirmation box below. Once you've entered and confirmed your password, tap Next to move forward. Now, it's time to choose a nickname for your account. Weverse might suggest a nickname for you, but you can change it if you prefer something different. Once you've decided on your nickname, tap Next. The next step involves agreeing to Weverse's terms of use. To do this, tap the small checkbox next to the statement that says, "I agree to the terms of use," then press Next to proceed. At this stage, you'll need to verify your email address. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Weverse. The email will include a button labeled Verify Email. Tap this button to complete the verification process. After the verification is successful, the app will redirect you back to Weverse. You'll see a confirmation message that your account has been created. Tap back to Login page. Now you can log into your new Weverse account using the email and password you just set up. Once you're in, you're all set to explore the app and enjoy its features. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.